Okay, it's time for the next step. We are so excited to be part of this journey with you. This video is going to walk you through how to get started with our premium starter kit package. So step one is to go to www.youngliving.com. This is the first screen that you're going to see, and you'll want to click on the button on the lower right-hand corner that says Virtual Office right here. And this will take you to the main Young Living website. And from here, you will want to click on Become a Member in the upper right-hand corner where the red arrow is here. The next step will be to choose the type of membership that you want. So with this option, you'll be choosing the member one that is in blue. This type of account gives you 24% off of the retail pricing on your favorite products, as well as access to our Essential Rewards program and many other perks too. It will already be checked, so no need to change anything here. But you will want to look at the lower right side of the page where it says who introduced you to Young Living. Click on I was referred by a member and I have their ID numbers. It will pop up with two boxes, one for the sponsor ID and one for the enroller ID. Put the number that the fabulous friend that referred you here gave you into both lines. This ensures that you get access to all the great perks and team goodness that they have available. And once you finish that, click on the blue button that says Continue right here. Okay, now is where you choose the premium starter kit that fits your needs best. Our most popular kit is the premium starter kit with the dewdrop diffuser. It will already be selected for you, so if this is what you want, it makes this step super easy. If you prefer another diffuser, just check the box for that diffuser and it will upgrade to the one that you have selected. Or if you wish to select a completely different premium starter kit, you can click on Other Premium Starter Kits at the top of the page. And here you will see the Savvy Minerals kits, the Thieves kit, the Ninja kit, and the Sleek kit. So you can also click on the tab for specialty kits. These include our Spanish and international kits with different wall adapters for the diffuser and the military address kit. Now that you've selected your kit, here we go. You'll scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see the option to get started with Essential Rewards right away. There are some amazing perks for doing this. So if there is something that's on your wish list, this is a great time to do it. You're going to get a free oil just for doing it. When you finish this step, you'll click the blue Next button here. If you did not choose to get started with the AutoShip Essential Rewards program, you're going to see this pop up. Just click the blue button that says Continue Enrollment to move on without enrolling in the program at this time, right here. The next step will be to set up your membership, so follow the prompts to fill out all the necessary information. And as you continue, you will see a section for sign-in information. You'll set up your username and a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. It will also ask you to create a 4-digit PIN. This is a tool that our fantastic live chat and customer care departments use to verify your identity if you ever need assistance with an order. Be sure to write all these down somewhere handy. And then you'll want to select the commission processing. Here's your PIN number. You're going to want to select the commission processing that is right for you. So individual with no social security number, individual with social security number, or business. This can be changed at a later time with our customer service team if need be too. So continue to scroll down to where the terms and conditions section is. Check the box that you've reviewed them, and then click on the button that says Agree and Continue. The next steps will be to fill out your shipping information and then your payment information on the following screens. So one tip is that if you choose the FedEx options for shipping, you'll receive tracking information for your order, and it also upgrades the timeline for sending your order, so you'll likely get it a little sooner too. And bravo, you've completed a very important step, the first one in this wellness journey. And we want to welcome you to the Young Living family. We want you to know we are here to support you and to cheer you on along the way. So what's next? Go back to that fabulous friend, let them know you finished this step, and they will guide you on what to do next.